Hi friends, this is Ishu, and yesterday we covered the magnitude of velocity in an irrotational two-dimensional motion, and today we will see the Cauchy-Riemann equations in polar form. Let phi plus I psi is equal to Fz and F is equal to f of r e to the power I theta. This is the value of z. This is equation number 1. Then differentiating 1 with respect to r, del phi by del r plus I del psi by del r is equal to f dash of r e to the power I theta, and this differentiation of r with respect to r is 1, so this r is 1 and e to the power I theta will be written here. So this is equation number 2, and differentiating 1 with respect to theta, del phi by del theta plus I del psi by del theta is equal to f dash of r e to the power I theta, and this differentiation of theta is 1, so this I will be in multiplication and e to the power I theta will be as it is. So this is equation number 3. So from 2 and 3, now we will substitute this f dash r e to the power I theta into e to the power I theta. This complete value from 2 to 3, and this r into I will be written as it is. So this is what we get here: del phi by del theta plus I del psi by del theta is equal to this r into I, and the value of this term from 2 will be written here. So this is what we get. Now equating real and imaginary parts, this is imaginary part, and in this one is imaginary part, because I into I is I square, and I square is equal to -1. I square is equal to -1, so this will become minus r del psi by del r. So this became now real term, and this is real term. So we'll equate real term to real term and imaginary to imaginary. So del psi by del theta is equal to r into del phi by del r, and del phi by del theta is equal to minus of r into del psi by del r. Now what we need to do is, here del psi by del theta, this r will be transferred here this side, so it will become 1 upon r del psi by del theta is equal to del phi by del r, and here this r will transfer from here to here, so it will become 1 upon r del phi by del theta is equal to this minus sign, minus of del psi by del r. So this is the Cauchy-Riemann equation in polar form. I hope you understand it, and thank you. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.